staff members, and dear final year students. Now, here we gathered to give you the farewell. But remember that now you are going to start your new life. You are stepping into the new world actually. That world is full of opportunities and challenges. So you should be prepared for those challenges. Now your real test is now starts how to tackle the situations and how to take the proper decisions. Remember that opportunities are many, but you should prepare yourself for those opportunities. Start to acquire new skills because now after completion of your graduations, that knowledge is not enough. Technology is changing very rapidly and you should accustom with that changing technology. It's now very essential. Okay. At the same time, whatever the memories, friendships you have and bond you have gained here, keep that in future also. Because those contacts